Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth puzzle. The fourth puzzle is a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper of Thursday, September the 10th. Yes, it's a binary puzzle number. Let me position the camera correctly. Number 1502. Yes, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. So that means we in a row, in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O, double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest in this column are ones. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's in this last row, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 3 O's. The fourth O, if I place the fourth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column, not allowed. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then 3 ones in this column. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column, not allowed. This cannot be a 1, this should be an O. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then I need to compare. Yes, need to compare with this row and that row. 1 1 1 1 0 0, empty box 0 0 1 1 0 0. Yes, I need to switch these two numbers. If I place an O here and a 1 here, then I have identical rows. Not allowed. Identical rows or columns are not allowed in these kind of binary puzzle. So we need to switch those two numbers. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and there is only one Sudoku left for today. It's a tectonic one. So I will see you in a minute to solve this tectonic, aka Suguru in Japanese. So see you later. Bye bye for now.